Rose-shaped cookies for Valentine's Day or for a date. Come Valentine's Day and most people are trying to find a nice way to surprise or treat their loved ones. Who wouldn't like a bouquet of red roses or chocolates from their someone special? Or a box of chocolatey cake or soft crumbly cookies? Why not go the extra mile and bake them a bunch of roses? Let them eat a rose made with love. I hear you saying, what on earth is she talking about? Fake roses? It's not as far-fetched an idea as it sounds. All you do is make some soft cookies and shape them into a rose to gift your loved one on Valentine's Day or any other time of the year too. What ingredients do you need to make rose cookies? You'll need refined wheat flour, semolina, powdered sugar, butter, egg, baking powder, vanilla essence, and food color. How to make rose-shaped cookies. First, you need to mix the flour, baking powder, powdered sugar, butter, and eggs. After mixing it a little, add the vanilla essence and semolina. Why add the semolina later although it's a dry ingredient? Because adding it later ensures it doesn't absorb too much of the butter and stays crunchy. Form a dough and then wrap this in cling film or saran wrap and refrigerate it until the next day. If you're in a hurry, you can refrigerate it for only 30 minutes, but if you have time on your hands, a whole day is best. The next morning divide the dough into 2 parts, and add pink or red food color to one of the parts and mix well. Make small parts of the dough and form a few cylindrical rosebuds of both colors. Then take a little dough and shape the petals by rolling out a bit of the dough, then placing each layer over the other like a petal until it forms a rose. Cut the lower half of the rose dough and set aside. These pieces are not needed, but you can use them later on to form more cookies shaped as you like. I usually turn them into hearts. I'll put the heart recipe in the description. Line the rose cookies on a baking tray, sprinkle them with a little powdered sugar and bake in an oven for 25 minutes at 200 degrees. These soft homemade cookies are the perfect treat for Valentine's Day or other special occasions. Link here. Thanks for liking, sharing and subscribing.